Hi, Tiffany here. I'm just going to have a crack at picking this ASSA 600. It's full of gin spools. When I received it from DMAC, it had 3 chambers that contain master pins. I've removed those and replaced the pins in those chambers with a single key pin in each. This is the bitting of the original key. You can see in position 1, really low cut. It's almost a zero lift. Well, I'd say it's a zero lift because you don't really want to nudge it when you stick the pick in there. I'm going to be picking from the bottom of the keyway up using 2 15,000th picks that I've made, and we see how we go. I don't often pick in front of a camera, so this will be an experience. Right, I'm using a 2mm music wire top of the keyway tensioner, and I just need to move this so I can get a better angle on it so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. I'm just trying to get the lips of the gins into the counter milling on the plug, and then I'm not far after. I think I'm there now. Okay, going to try a bit of float picking. See if we can float these trapped gins out of the counter milling. It's 1, 2, okay, I think I need a steeper pick. Go for this 15,000th extended gem hook I've made. See how we get on. Okay. I keep testing pin 1, which is when I said zero lift. It has got a slight dip in it, so it can trap. Just making sure. Okay, go deep again. And there we go, we've got an open. Okay, so this pick I'm using here has been made using a bare bones pick blank. Now, I think I've got one here actually to show you what they look like. This one I've already started chopping around. So these are from Bare Bones Lockpicking, an Australian company. And basically you get the handle, part of the shank, and then this bit at the end here where you can shape it into a profile. You can see I've sketched out a profile on this, and I haven't finished it obviously, but yeah, you just file it out until you've got the profile that you're after, which is what I have done on this particular one. These are really cool handles, these, because they got these little O-rings on them, and you just can roll them out of the way, and excuse me, I'm getting out of shot here, but you can pull the pick in and out. So you can actually put Sparrows, bare handle picks, Law Lock Tools, Valerian picks, they all fit into these handles. So if you've got a short handle, makes it nice and long, and you just slide them back in like so. Position it about where you want, and then just roll back the O-ring, and they lock and rock solid. Really nice handle. Okie doke, let's see if we can gut this thing. I've got the sun shining on it now, that's great. This has got one of those horrible deforming clips on the back, which, I should actually lock it up. Like most people, I can't stand these clips. Yeah, comedy of errors. Oh, there we go. Probably got it out of shot. But never mind. Doing our best. Right. Okay, where's the key? Put her in. And rotate it around so I haven't got one of those notches. And grab probably the most mangled shim in the southern hemisphere. Also help if I had out a follower. So right out. Not that one, this one. Okay, the lighting's all shit as far as this goes, so I'll just do my best. Dump these pins out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll bring these up to the camera after I've taken out the drivers. Okay. Now, so here we go here. Get the shim out of here. Okay, now I'll try and show the drivers as I take them out. I was made aware fairly recently that there's been some unscrupulous pickers that have actually put in the gins upside down. So you need to show them coming out, which I didn't do on that one. I don't know if you can see that. Angles are all shit. Okay. So I'll leave the springs in there, they're all the same. I'm going to bring these pins up a bit closer. Oh, I apologise for the lighting. I'll probably have to film this again. It's pretty atrocious. Anyway, I'm Tiffany. That was a bit of a debacle picking of an ASSA 600. Thanks for watching.